Hello there, boys and girls. Today is Thursday. We got one more day to the weekend. We made it, almost there. All right, so we are moving on now to renewable and non renewable resources. All right, so off of your portal, you're going to see a new icon that we haven't used just yet. It's called Discovery Education. All right, so before we go there, open up your Schoology and make sure your Gmail, because remember, they both have to be open together. You're going to find our assignment under Science. And let's just say third period, week number 3. And it would be under Thursday. All right. And it's going to be titled Renewable and Non-Renewable Resources. So from here, it says Renewable Resources. This is part 1 of the assignment. From your portal, click on Discovery Education, and you see the icon. So when you go to Discovery Education from your portal, it is located, well, mine is located right here, but you're looking for a blue background with a white letter D and a little globe on it. And when you open this up, it looks a lot like this, with this happy little turtle swimming there in the reef. All right. It'll say, welcome, your name will be here, and it'll have the upcoming assignments. So the first one showing is renewable resources. So when we click on that, watch the video as it tells you, and you're going to answer the question on the next slide. All right, once you answer the question, you go to part 2. We're now looking at non-renewable resources. So we're going to go back to Discovery Education. That's this one again here with the blue background and the white letter D. And you click on the non-renewable resources video. And see, it says not started, so we can see when you have watched them or when you have not. All right, so you're going to watch that video. And you come back and you answer the question on slide number 5. Slide number 6, our next part. The directions tell us to place the resources under the right description to state whether it is a renewable or non-renewable resource. So these are examples of resources. And you are going to simply click on it and drag and drop it wherever you believe it belongs. You've got renewable resources on the left, the non-renewable resources on the right. And then for slide number 7, list 2 advantages of renewable resources. So you just put your cursor here, list 1, list a second one. And then on the right side, list 2 disadvantages. So guys, when you're watching the video, listen to the narrator, because he does give you a lot of information. And if you need to go back when you're watching the slide, go back to this again so that you can go back. And if you need to, they're only about 1.5 minutes, 2 minutes long. Go back and listen to it again. All right. When you go to the next slide, and now it's asking for 2 advantages of non-renewable resources. And what are 2 disadvantages of non-renewable resources? So remember, guys, when we're asking for advantages, we're asking for ways that are benefits. How is it a positive thing? How is it a good thing? So list 2 good things for renewable resources. Disadvantage means not a good thing. So list 2 bad things about renewable resources. All right, it could be anything from how it affects people. It could be a thing maybe on how there's very few of them. So think along, kind of open up your thinking a little bit. Okay? And then once you're done with that, you're going to hit submit and turn this in. All right, boys and girls. See you in class. Have a great day.